Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is choice. Virgo, you have the choice to show up, show out, or to go back into your cave, go back into your mountains, into your earth, back into the crevices where you're used to navigating in the wilderness. You're used to navigating in the dark. You're used to letting time just pass by, the hard times pass by. No, we need action from you. We want you to come out of your cave. We want to come from the depths of your mountain. Be on the mountaintops. Let everyone see you. Show up and show out with your amazing gifts because I need you and the entire world needs you. I choose serenity, light, and positive energy. No matter what I go through, I choose happiness and I rise above fear and direct my thoughts to God. You shall be rewarded. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.